Question 6 of this exercise says, let ABC be a right triangle in which AB equals 6 cm, BC equal 8 cm and angle B equal 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. So let's start with the steps of construction. Draw BC equal 8 cm. So we need to draw BC that equal 8 cm. So this is B and this is C and it measure 8 cm. Now draw the perpendicular at B and cut BA equals 6 cm on it. So we need to draw perpendicular at B like this. Then we'll draw BA equals 6 cm on it. So we'll put the compass at B and we'll measure the opening as 6 cm and we'll draw an arc like this and we'll mark the point of intersection as A. So BA is basically 6 cm and we'll join A and C. So we have got triangle ABC. Now in the next step we need to draw BD perpendicular to AC. So we'll draw a perpendicular to AC, that is BD. Now in the next step, since angle BDC equal 90 degree, the circle must pass through BC and D. BC must be the diameter of this circle. So take O as the midpoint of BC and with O as center and OB as radius, draw a circle which will pass through BC and D. So we'll take the radius as OB and we'll draw a circle that passes through points B, C and D like this. Now let's move on to the next step. Draw tangents from A to the circle with center O. Join OA and draw its perpendicular bisector to intersect OA at E. So first of all we need to join OA. Then we need to draw its perpendicular bisector. So we'll draw the perpendicular bisector of OA and we'll name the point of intersection as E. Now in the next step, with E as center and EA as radius, draw a circle which intersects the previous circle at B and F. So we'll take the radius as EA and we'll draw a circle like this, and this circle intersects the previous circle at F. Now in the next step, we just need to join A and F. So we have got AB and AF as the required tangents. Now let's do the justification of this construction. Angle ABO equal angle AFO equal 90 degree. So we have got AB perpendicular to OB and AF perpendicular to OF. So we have got AB and AF as the tangents from A to the circle with center O. So AB and AF are the required tangents.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.